Let's start with the new topic, that is division algorithm of polynomials. You are already aware of this formula, very important formula for this. This dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is very important formula. We will apply here. Now in this chapter, what we have to do in this exercise, like question in question, it is given that divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder of each of the following, right? So here we have given the polynomial px and gx. Now we have to divide this gx polynomial with px, right? Because the gx order of x is 2, which is less than the order of polynomial px, that is 3. So let us start solving. One part I will explain you. Suppose we will solve this second part. X power 4, px is x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. We have to divide this by gx. Gx is what? Gx is x square plus 1 minus x, right? So first of all, this is not in standard form, because in standard form how we used to write the powers of x in like descending order, right? Highest power first, then its lower term. So here x square, after that minus x will come, and at the last plus 1, that is the constant term, will come, right? So in standard form, how we will write it as gx as x square minus x plus 1. So first of all, if the given polynomial is not in a standard form, we have to convert this into standard form. Now we will divide this polynomial, given polynomial px with gx, right? X power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. We will divide this by x square minus x plus 1. Only see the first element. This is what? X power 4. And this is what? X square. Forget the other things, forget every other things. Only what we have to consider, only see the very first numbers of both the polynomials. It is x power 2, it is x power 4. So if I want x power 2 to become x power 4, then how much I have to multiply? That means I have to multiply it by x power 4 divided by x squared. How much? X square. That means I want x square here, right? So we will multiply this whole polynomial by x square, right? How will note that? We will divide this by this x power 4 by x power 2, right? So indices, you know that like when we divide two indices, its power get subtracted. So 4 minus 2 is equals to 2 only. So we will get x square, right? So first multiply this whole polynomial by x square. So what we will get? X square into x square, x power 4 minus x into x square. X into x square, how much? X power 1 plus 2, because indices, you know that the power gets added, right? So it is power, x means x power 1 only. So x into x square, that means x plus x power 1 plus 2, that is x cube only. So next term is minus x cube, then plus 1 into x square. 1 into x square is x square only. So we will write here x square. Now you are already aware of it, that since its earlier sign was plus, so whenever we will do division, this sign got changed, right? So we have to change all these signs. So it will get converted to minus, plus minus will get converted to plus, and plus will get converted to minus, right? So this term got cancelled. Now this is x cube. Here no term of x cube is present, so only we have to write the x cube here. So plus x cube means x cube only, right? So then minus 3x square minus x square, minus plus. So we have to add 3 plus 1, that's 4x square, and sign of the higher term will come. This is minus 4x square plus 4x plus 5. These will remain unchanged. Now forget the other things, only see the first element. First element is x cube, first element is x square. So we want to make this as x cube. So what we have to multiply x square with? We will have to multiply by plus x, right? Because we want x square to get converted to, we want x cube, right? So what we will get? X cube by x square, that is x to the power 3 minus 2, that is x power 1, that is x only. So plus x we will get, right? So x cube, then what? minus x into plus x. So minus x square plus x plus 1 into x. So plus x will come. So again minus, because it was earlier plus, minus will get changed to plus, and then plus will get changed to minus. Then it gets cancelled. Now you have to forget this sign, right? Middle sign you have to forget, because we have to subtract these two. So minus 4x square plus x square, minus plus minus it will come, so minus 3x square, and signature of the higher term will come. Then 4x minus x, 3x plus 5, right? So here we have got again the same thing. Forget the other things, only see the first element. It is minus 3x square, and we have x square. So x square we want to make it as minus 3x square. That means we have to multiply it by minus 3. How? We have got x square, we want minus 3x square, right? So how we will do? We have to multiply, we have to divide this. So how much we will get? Minus 3. So minus 3 it will come. Got it? So we will multiply this whole polynomial by minus 3. So how it will come? Minus 3x square minus minus plus 3x minus 3. Again the sign will get changed. Now two terms will get cancelled here, plus 5 plus 3, because this sign changes, right? Sign got changed. So plus 5 plus 3, how much? 8. So question is this one. Question is x square plus x minus 3, and the remainder is 8, right? So this is the answer for us. Similarly you can do the other parts also. Remember this formula you have learned in the previous class also, that x power a upon x power b is equals to how much? X power a minus b, right? Into, and we can say that x power m into x power n is equals to x power m plus n. That means these are the law of indices, law of exponent. If the relation is division, then it gets to convert it to subtraction. If the relation is multiplication, then the powers get added, right? Thank you.